So, the bike seems to run really well at the moment. Seems to rev up alright. I'm having trouble with the gear change. I'm getting used to it being on the left hand side rather than on the right hand side. It was about here I noticed that the bike was fluttering. I couldn't change gear very well because the lever is in the wrong place. It needs to be dropped down a little bit. I just couldn't get into gear because I was struggling to lift the lever up. And the bike was fluttering, you can hear it. Yeah. So I thought I'll take it down the dual carriageway, give it a bit of a blast, see if it will clear. So, into fourth. Back down to third. Doing about 35 to 40 along here. This red car isn't going very fast. This is a 70 miles an hour road. And at this point I realise that I'm struggling here. So I need to get off the dual carriageway and get home. Try and nurse it home. As you can hear, just trying to encourage it. I'll pull over for a little bit to see what I can do. Checking whether the fuel is actually getting through. Hear that rattle? That's top end. I'm going to have a look at that. So tap it, I think. You hear it more on the camera than you can over the bike. It just doesn't pick up very well. So a few things to do. Back brake is really good, front brake is rubbish, and here now, it's just dying now. So it's a case of get it started and get back to the house and have a look. And I think it's the carb, so I'm going to strip it and clean it and reset it and try again. Starts easy on a kick.